how to fix a reconciliation discrepancy in QuickBooks Desktop. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can fix a reconciliation discrepancy in QuickBooks. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, access your monthly bank or credit card statement from your financial institution's website. Then the second thing that you want to do is open up the QuickBooks website on your laptop or PC. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Then from the home page, select Reconcile. Choose the bank or credit card account you want to reconcile. Enter the end date on the statement. Check that your beginning balance matches your statement. Enter the ending balance you see on your statement. Then enter any service charges or interest during the statement period. If you use bank feeds, you can usually leave this blank because you'll download charges and interest along with other transactions. If everything looks good, select Continue. Now you compare your statement to the information in QuickBooks. QuickBooks displays all of the transactions that reduced your balance, like checks and debit card charges, in this section, and all of the transactions that increased your balance, like deposits. In this section, if a transaction in QuickBooks exactly matches the date, number, and dollar amount of a transaction on the statement, select it. If you use bank feeds to download transactions from your bank or credit cards, select Matched. Then enter the statement ending date and OK. And QuickBooks checks off all the transactions you downloaded. Once you verify all items from your statement in QuickBooks, you should have a zero balance. That tells you there is zero difference between what's in QuickBooks and what's on the statement. If you have a difference, select Modify and verify that your beginning balance, and ending date all match your statement. If they do, go back and check the selected transactions to make sure they match the statement. If any transaction has the wrong amount, double-click it, correct it, and then save. Once you've reached a difference of zero, select Reconcile Now. QuickBooks asks if you want to print or display your reconciliation reports. Select Close. So that's how you can fix a reconciliation discrepancy in QuickBooks Desktop. That's all for this video.